Inamin na ni Paulo Contis na sila na ni Yen Santos. Sa second part ng interview ni Boy Abunda sa Fast Talk, nitong January 30, nilinaw ni Paulo na hindi si Yen ang dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan ni LJ. Aniya, matagal na silang hindi okay ni LJ at madalas na ang kanilang pag-aaway. Magkaibigan lang din umano sila ni Yen noon, kahit naispatan silang magkasama sa kontrobersyal na pagbabakasyon nila sa Baguio. Pero nang tanungin ni Abunda si Paulo, ngayon, si Yen Santos ba ay girlfriend mo na? Nagbiro pa si Paulo bago sumagot ng yes. Hindi tuloy ang Love Scene North American Tour show ni James Reid na gaganapin sana sa 13 major cities ng North America at Canada na nagsimula sana nitong January 29 hanggang February 26 dahil mababa ang ticket sales. Ang dahilan ng kanselasyon, ayon sa binasa ni Mama Loy sa Showbiz Update YouTube channel nila ni Ogie Diaz kasama si Tita Jegs na in-upload nitong linggo ay inianunsyo ni James na hindi na nga tuloy ang Love Scene North American Tour niya. Hi everyone, with my North American Tour coming up in less than a week, I'm deeply saddened to announce that my Love Scene Tour will be postponed to a later date this year. Firstly, I want to thank you for the overwhelming response to the tour. To all my fans and supporters, thank you from the bottom of my heart. The past year has been an absolute ride, and with your support, I've been able to grow and experience unbelievable things beyond my wildest dreams. At the same time, it's been an exhausting grind that has really taken a toll on my health, physically, emotionally, and mentally. It wouldn't be fair to you and fair to the people who have supported me in creating this album. Making my fans proud is my top priority, and at this time I've realized that I wouldn't be able to give you guys the performance and experience that you deserve. It wouldn't be fair to you and fair to the people who have supported me creating this album. To my fans in North America, I'll be preparing to come back even stronger with more music and an even bigger, better show for you, sooner than you think. I'll make sure it'll be worth the wait. BRB. Love you all. James. Say pa ni Ogie, binasa niya ang mga komento ng mga netizens sa Fashion Police website at tila galit ang iba kay James at sinabing mahina nga raw ang benta ng tickets niya. Chinek din namin ang website at ang mga nabasa naming reaksyon ng mga netizens ay puro lay sa kanya. Either flop, hindi kumita o kikita or mismanagement. What is happening to you, James? Naawa kaming bigla kay James sa mga nabasa naming umabot sa 132 comments and still counting na puro lay. Oo nga, dapat ay may hit songs nga naman siya para makilala sa ibang bansa. Bumalik ka na lang ng Pinas, James. Gumawa ka ng serye o pelikula, baka sumigla ulit ang career mo. Hirit pa ng isang netizen.